Hello, welcome to Tech Hustler on YouTube. If this is your first time seeing my video, please I would urge you to click on the subscribe button, and if you like this video, you hit on the like button. In this video, I'm going to teach some very important thing. If you can remember the last video I uploaded, I taught you guys how you can analyze your students' performance in a specific subject or topic. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can analyze the student's performance in a specific exam score. So you'd want to know the number of people that had A, number of people that had B's, the number of students that scored above the average score. I'm going to show you all these things in this video. So I have these students' scores here. As you can see, I have the total score, the grade, and I have the grade analysis here. So we are going to perform all the analysis at this specific place or at this specific location. So if you don't have this, I'll urge you to add all these in your Excel sheet or worksheet. So first of all, we are going to count the grades, but before that, let me arrange these grades from the highest to the lowest. So I'll just make sure these range of cells have been selected. So from there, I'll go to sort and filter. That is the editing side. Then I'll click on sort A to Z. Okay. Now I've been able to do that. So I have from A1 to F9. So I want to count the number of people that had A1, B2, B3 up to F9. So I'll use the count if. So the count if helps us to count specific items in our worksheet using a specific criteria. So I'll say count if. So I would want to count this range of cells. Okay. Then I'll make the value or the selected range an absolute range by pressing F4. Then comma. What is the criteria? I would want to count the number of A's or the number of A1s. So I'll select the A1 here. Then I'll close the parenthesis, press on the enter key. Now, if I double click on this, I'm supposed to have the count for each of these grades available. So now you can tell the number of people that had A's or A1, B2, B3, C4 up to F9. So these are the counts here. And I would want to know the number of people or the number of students that had above or that scored above the average score. But before that, I would want to highlight the students that had above the average score. So I'll select the range of cells here that is on the total score column, and then I'll go to the styles, then click on conditional formatting. So on the conditional formatting, I'll select top bottom rows, and then I'll go to above average. I would want to highlight them with green. So I'll select green fill with dark green text. Then I'll click on OK. So as you can see, I have all the students that had above the average score being highlighted here. So what else? Now I need to know the average score of all the students. So I'll just say average. Then I'll select the range of scores or the range of total scores, and I'll close the parenthesis. Now this is the average score. So if I want to count the number of people that had average score, so the reason why I did all this is for us to know the average score, just for us to know the average score. And then why I highlighted students with scores above the average score. Later, we'll be using that to count and verify if it's indeed the number of average scores that were counted. So we will count the number of students that scored above the average score. So we are going to use the count if again. Then we will select these cells or this range of cells, comma, and then with the criteria you say greater than and the ampersand. We use the average and then select this range of cells again, close the parenthesis and then bring another parenthesis. I'll press on the enter key. So now, as you can see, we have 13 pupils or 13 students who scored above the average score. So now, let's count and see if that's correct. So let's count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that is exactly what we wanted. Okay. So let's say you have 100 students in your classroom or 50 students in your classroom, and you want to find the number of students that had above the average score. You can use this to do that. So by doing this, it will help you know how the students performed in this particular subject for the exams they took in the specific term. I believe this video is very helpful, and if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. If you like this video, you hit on the like button and share this video for others to also learn. Bye bye.